These cinematic title templates will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folders. Now click on Add. Select Template folder. Here templates are installed. Place any template on the timeline. Here you can add text. Change font from here. Change text position and scale from here. Here you can change text color. Change animation position and scale from here. These titles have in and out both animation. You can also adjust its duration. Trim or expand template to make its duration shorter or longer. That's it. Thanks for watching.